Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I've been gone for a while, or actually I don't know when this video is gonna go up, if it's gonna be like before my other videos. So yeah. Oh, the sun. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing Abby's piñata for her birthday, because her birthday is September 25th and her birthday party is gonna be the next day on the 26th, on the Saturday. So I'm gonna be doing a piñata, and it's gonna be a ice cream theme. I'm out of breath. I feel like I talk fast. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna post a picture up right here of how I'm gonna be doing it. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be uploading this, like I said. And yeah, I have been working on her birthday party. Today is August. What's today, Jennifer? August 17th. Today is August 17th. And I always like to start doing her birthday stuff a month or two before, just because I'm that type of person that likes to plan ahead, start getting the decorations, start making everything. So yeah, and I do like to make everything, like even for her first birthday, her second birthday, her third birthday. What is that? Oh, it's just a giant squirrel. I do like to make everything for her decor. I'll put some pictures up here of how I made her piñata for her first birthday. Her second birthday, I didn't make it, but I just what did I do? I changed the front of it, like the theme of it. I think it was like Hello Kitty or Princess or something. I kept the colors. I just changed the paper of it, and I just put like some butterflies or something like that for her theme to match it. And then last year I did the same thing. I didn't make it. I just changed the picture that was on the I was about to say the cake, the piñata, and I put like Minnie Mouse stuff. Her piñata is gonna be like, I don't know if you guys can really see it. So it's like this. This is like for the ice cream. Here's a circle. Here's the cone. Okay, you guys, so this is the piñata, how it's looking so far. I wanted to show you guys that I kind of did mess up. As you guys can see. The first cardboard ice cream thing that I cut this too little. So the second one looks like that. And I also took some leftover cardboard paper and cardboard box, and I taped this one, and I outlined this bottom one. As you guys can see, I like taped this. So now I'm just gonna get another piece of cardboard, trace this out, and then I'm gonna tape it to this little, I'm gonna cut this little one off, and I'm gonna make it so that way it looks like this, and like it's the same size as this one right here. Okay, hey guys, so today's a new day. So I'm doing her goodie bags right now, and this is what I've done so far. I forgot that I was supposed to vlog this part. So yes, I'm not done. I only glued like the first 2 scoops, and then I still need to go to, like, I don't know if the dollar store might have like brown paper. I think they do. But yes, so there's that. And this is the one that I made last year for her 3rd year birthday. I think I made about like 60 of them. This is fabric, and I just put her name, Abby's 3 años, Abby's 3rd year for her birthday. I think it's really cute. And how I made the ice cream scoops is I just folded this part, made a circle, kind of like, you know, the ice cream. So then here's this. Yeah, that's how I made it, and this is how it looks. So yes. And then this is the ones from last year as well. And then what did I use to have like a stick? Because I had flowers for her 3rd birthday, so I would glue half of it. I mean, you can still open. This is just extra stuff. I would like kind of leave a space, have a stick, stick it into the flowers, and that's how it was. This is really cute. But that's not what I'm working on right now, so I just wanted to show you guys that, just in case, you know, to see or whatever. Okay guys, so this is what her piñata is looking like so far. As you guys can see, I thought this one was this color because I did this a while back, and I thought I had more of this color, but I didn't. So then I had to buy this color at the Dollar Tree. And I don't remember if I told you guys that I did get that. That's wrapping paper as well from the dollar store. And what I did is I just cut them into pieces like this. I used this string tissue paper, and I just cut them like that. And right now I'm gluing the sides, and then once I get to like about right here, halfway through, I'm gonna switch. Let me show you guys. So right now I'm putting it like this, right, like that, going up, 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 up. And then when I get to here, I'm gonna put one at the top like this. And then I'm gonna put one for this side. So then I'll start going down. Well, I'm gonna start from down here and then work myself up.
Mom, you're finished.
Yeah, I'm almost finished. So that way it doesn't look like it's just, because if I continue to go like this, it's going to look like if it's the paper's poking up this way, and that does not look nice, trust me. So yes, so by the time I'm done, I'm gonna have it like this, put it like that, and then I'm just gonna keep building it up, so that way both of these end up touching at the end, like kind of like that. It'll look nicer, trust me. But right now I can't really show you guys because I'm doing this alone. So yes, this is what the back looks like as well. This is the piñatas. I mean, not piñata. Sorry, I can't talk. This is what they ended up looking like since I'm already done. And they look like this. And yeah, so I just need to buy slowly the drinks, and then that's pretty much it. And like the candy, and that's it for the party. Okay guys, so this is the ice cream, the end result. I used that poster paper and I just traced it out, and I'm using some of those sprinkles from the goodie bags that I had left over. And yeah, so me guys, what you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. And I did that on both sides.